scientists have discovered a new clue as to why dinosaurs died out after finding their eggs took up to 6 months to hatch. It might have been an asteroid or volcano behind the massive climate change which ultimately wiped out the beasts, but new evidence shows why they were so at risk in the first place. When the dust thrown up from such an event blocked out sunlight, dinosaurs are believed to have failed to adapt to a colder climate and the fewer plants available to eat. However, the latest findings suggest baby dinosaurs also took so long to hatch that they and their parents were extra vulnerable to predators, starvation and floods. It could be the reason why, unlike more fast-breeding birds and mammals, the dinosaurs did not survive the mass extinction event of 65 million years ago and do not walk among us now. The first insight into hatching baby dinosaurs was led by Florida State University, Calgary University and the American Museum of Natural History, whose researchers analyzed rare fossils of dinosaurs embryos. As birds are living dinosaurs, it was thought dinosaur eggs probably took about the same time to develop as an ostrich hatchling, which emerges from its egg after 42 days. Instead, analysis of a large duck-billed dinosaur called the Hipparchosaurus found their babies took nearly as long as humans to be born. This was worked out using growth lines in the embryo's teeth like tree rings used to determine their age. Dr. Gregory Erickson, professor of biological science at Florida State University, said some of the greatest riddles about dinosaurs pertain to their embryology. Virtually nothing is known. He added, "We suspect our findings have implications for understanding why dinosaurs went extinct at the end of the Cretaceous period, whereas amphibians, birds, mammals and other reptiles made it through and prospered." The scientists found that dinosaur eggs take around twice as long to hatch as bird eggs, whose chicks emerge after between 11 and 85 days. Despite birds having evolved from the dinosaurs, the prehistoric animals' eggs are more like those of reptiles. The study, published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, examined the embryo of Protoceratops, a sheep-sized dinosaur found in the Mongolian Gobi Desert whose eggs weighed nearly 7 ounces. It also looked at Hipparchosaurus, a very large duck-billed dinosaur discovered in Alberta, Canada, with giant eggs weighing almost 9 pounds. For the first time, they found in the teeth of the dinosaur embryos von Ebner lines, which are growth lines found in the teeth of all animals, including humans. Professor Erickson said, "They're kind of like tree rings, but they're put down daily. We could literally count them to see how long each dinosaur had been developing." It was thought the smaller dinosaurs' eggs, based on those hatched by birds, would take 40 days, but the research suggests an incubation period of 83 days, almost 3 months. The Hipparchosaurus eggs are believed to have taken almost 6 months, or 171 days. It is believed the results would apply to all dinosaurs with teeth ranging from the Tyrannosaurus rex to the Stegosaurus. It may also hold the key to why they are not around anymore. Eggs which took so long to hatch would have been more vulnerable to being eaten by smaller dinosaurs, while parents could risk starvation protecting them. The mass extinction event which led to the death of the dinosaurs is hotly debated, with theories including a massive volcanic eruption and an asteroid hitting the Earth. Either one of these is believed to have thrown up enough dust to block out the sun's rays, massively changing the climate from a warm, mild one to a cooler, more varied one. It is the dinosaurs' inability to adapt in a world full of scarce resources which may have seen them driven to extinction. The plants they relied on may have been reduced by the lack of sunlight, killing off the smaller dinosaurs and then the larger carnivores which ate them. Mark Norrell, Macaulay curator of paleontology at the American Museum of Natural History, said, "With the help of advanced tools like CT scanners and high-resolution microscopy, we're making discoveries that we couldn't have imagined 20 years ago." This work is a great example of how new technology and new ideas can be brought to old problems.